2023. It's another strange and unusual Otis 2000 elevator here, which was supposed to be made as a silicone, but they didn't make it like that for the cab.
Yeah.
Here on Iidesranta 24 in Järvensivu, Tampere, tämä 4 Finland. Also the B22 is the same. With 5 floors, the same as 4. B1 in 2461, built in 1998. This is actually the turn of the year 1997, 98, because B22 is late 1997.
Yeah.
And we expect the next year, 2024. I like the smell in here. But this one got the door close button even.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's working. Probably doesn't work, but let's see. No,
Yeah.
it's not. Here's the Otis door operator. The ground floor, but I could have had the ground.
Yeah.
Green.
Yeah.
This elevator is turning 25 years old this year. It's 2023.
Expected by device and maintained by Kony.
But it's not enough.
Yeah.
That's it, next version.
That's